This next one that I'm going to go over is 6.6 number 41. If you had trouble with 39, using this may help. And this will also help you with 43 and 45 if you had trouble with them. So we want to graph y equals 6 sine of pi x. I will sketch a little graph of sine of x. Goes up, down, up, down. That's kind of bad. It's hard on the iPad. Up, down. High point 1, low point -1. Tick, 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 tick. Maybe I'll pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. This is negative pi, and it continues like that for forever. So, two transformations on this thing. First, it's a stretch factor of 6. So my high point, low points are going to be positive 6 and negative 6. It's going to replace this and this. And then this, so that's a vertical stretch factor. This is the, what do we use? We use a omega, which is a W, Greek letter, lowercase, looks like a W. You all probably think it's a W. So my omega is pi. The formula, and we talked about where it's come from, hopefully a little bit, for the new period. The period of this thing is 2 pi. What that means is that from 0 to 2 pi it repeats itself. It like kind of resets. It goes from here to here. You could also say from pi to 3 pi it repeats itself. So it goes from here to here. Or sorry, from there. My 3 pi is actually right there. So from here to here it repeats itself. Notice it's hitting the axis, but it's going down here, it's going down here. Here it repeats itself, it's going, this is the first one I was talking about, it goes up, up. Anyway, so to figure out the new period of this function, I do 2 pi over omega. Omega is pi, that gives me just 2. So instead of using a scale that has pi's like this one, I'm going to use a scale that has regular numbers. So I think I have enough space here. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to go like this. So this scale is no longer going to be the same as the other one. I'll put a tick here, a tick here, a tick here, and a tick back there. So each of those ticks represent 1 unit. We should label that with at least one of them. So we're going to put a 1 here. We can assume that the next one's 2, 3. The one on the other side is -1. Now I'm going to sketch in my sine graph, which starts at 0, goes up, down, repeats, down, up, down. Now the high point is 6, the low point is -6. The key here is that you see where this thing shows up. The period of this, let me get rid of some of this stuff up here. You can see that, like, you can pick any point on this, and it will repeat itself after 1 or after 2 full units, which is what I circled here. You could go here to here. Notice it's hitting the axis and going up at each of those spots. Here to here is a, hold on, a peak to a peak. Haha. Here to here is commonly referred to as trough to trough, low point to low point. So each of those things that I just kind of indicated there are a length of 2, which is why that's important and why we need to know what that is. And the next couple that you have to do, a little more complicated, but I think you can do it.